Here we go then, you lots. We're gonna make a bacon and broccoli gnocchi bake. Super simple to throw together. You can probably chuck it together in about 20 minutes, start to finish, and this is how you do it. So this is nice and easy. We've literally got just 2 things to prepare. So I'm gonna start with the garlic. I'm gonna be using 3 cloves of garlic. You want it to look something like that. And then we're gonna move on to our broccoli, which I'm gonna use all of this broccoli. I'm gonna use the stalk as well, because it's a shame to waste it. And also we're gonna wanna keep the florets quite small. If you don't keep them small, it's gonna be like biting into a brick. Here we go, broccoli stalk chopped up nice and fine. I'm just going to remove these florets. And any big ones you've got like this, I'm just going to either half them or even quarter them, so they're kind of this size. Right, so we're ready to start cooking this now. So what I've got is a cold pan, bacon lardons in. You could just use normal bacon chopped up if you want. Just a tiniest drop of oil just to get it going. And we're going to bring these bacon lardons up to temperature slowly. It's going to help render the fat. Do you reckon there's anything that you don't think bacon makes better? I'm pretty sure you could put it on anything. So what you can see here is some of the fat starting to be released from the bacon lardons now. And we're going to just continue to cook these until they're nice and crispy. So that's what we're looking for then. All the fat's rendered out to be, bacon's gone nice and crispy. So we're going to just take this out, put it to one side. So what we've got left in there is just the bacon fat. So in with the broccoli. Haven't pre-boiled this or anything, completely raw. And get the pre-cooked, pre-packaged gnocchi in there as well. Break all that up. And we're just going to pan fry this in all the bacon fat. Get a little bit of colour on it, get some flavour on it. Make sure everything's getting a little bit of contact at the bottom of the pan. As you can see, already a little bit of colour on the broccoli. Kind of feels weird to pan fry gnocchi and broccoli, putting everything in raw, but for me, I prefer to cook it this way anyway. It just takes on so much more flavour. So the broccoli's just started to soften slightly. Got a nice colour on everything. The gnocchi's beginning to soften, so we're going to get our broccoli stalk in. Don't want to waste any of that. Might as well use it. Garlic, get that in there too. Pinch of chilli flakes for a little bit of a kick. Half a teaspoon. Bit of salt and black pepper. Let's continue to cook this for another 3 to 4 minutes. You feel like it's getting a little bit dry, just add a touch more oil. Get a little bit of water if you wanted to. But we are going to be adding a little bit of water when we make the sauce in a second. So when you're happy, everything's beginning to soften. Everything's got a nice colour on it. Got a whole tub of cream cheese, full fat. Obviously, use a fat-free if you're on a diet. Get that in there. If you wanted to mess about, you could obviously make a roux, do a proper cheese sauce, but just find it's a nice little easy way to make something quite creamy and luxurious without spending a fortune. Mix that through. And I'm going to add a drop of water to help turn this into a little bit more of a sauce. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to let this bubble away just for a couple of minutes until everything's softened a little bit. Right, so at this point it should look something like this. I'm going to return the bacon now. Give it all a mix through. And you can give it a taste test at this point. You know, a bit more salt, black pepper if necessary, but don't be too mad on the salt because it's already got bacon in it. And then we can transfer this now into a baking dish without making a mess. Spread it all out. What you want to do now is just top it off with a load of cheese, or just make it rain. So it should look something like this, just a hot, filthy, cheesy mess. And I'm going to get this in the oven for about 15 minutes at 180, or until the cheese has gone beautifully golden all over the top. just look at the state of that. Look at the colour on that. Cheese has gone almost crispy on top, and I'm going to dig into this now. So we get some nice little cheese pulls, all being well.